Okay, it's been around 30-35 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a go. And on the other camera over here too. Both of your batteries are about done. Okay, here we go again. Okay, it's been about 30-35 minutes. I tapped on it. It sounds like it's dry. It's not soft or wet or anything. Down in the bottom there, that is the paper box lid. And I've got some like old packing foam to line the bottom so it has something soft to lay on. I went ahead and lined it with food wrap, or the saran wrap, excuse me, so it wouldn't stick to the foam in case it was still damp, which I don't think it is. But normally, I think we would, kind of dig underneath the mold or the plaster to loosen it up. But because I've got it's in saran wrap, it's not in direct contact with the ground other than through the saran wrap. So I think I'm just going to kind of grab the edge of the saran wrap and just kind of lift it up, and we'll see how that goes. So we're going to give that a shot right now. Because Cheryl already texted me and asked me if I wanted pizza for dinner. And it's just like, you know what? Pizza sounds good. So I'm thinking this is just going to come right up. And probably the best part is it really didn't do any damage. We kind of mussed that up a little bit. I'm not sure how it's going to look on the bottom. Yeah, didn't do super great. I think I'm going to go ahead and peel this saran wrap off so it has some air to breathe and finish curing. I'm not sure if that's gonna show on that camera, but who cares? It was almost too long for this box. Well, it might not be the best cast, but it could be worse. Going to go ahead and let it dry. This is would be the big toe area here, and some of the other toes that, who knows. I guess we'll let it dry and see how it goes. And I guess I'm going to pack up and get the heck out of Dodge.